gang, what is up? It's your boy Lies, aka MotoBroo. As you can see, we had a ride out, bro. This is the meetup location, and it's about to get nasty. You trying to get a clip?
It's up to you, bro.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. You shredded. Hey, hit a scrape. There you go. Are you kidding me? Beautiful. Ooh, we love that two-stroke vibes. Yo! I was not expecting that, dude. Hey! I was not expecting that, bro. That.
I don't want to really, go too crazy.
Nah, hey, you're going crazy for it being wet. More retardado. Yes, sir. Oh my God. You gonna let him hit him? You gonna let him hit your head like that?
The guy works as a ride. He's just cranking for something else. I have nothing to do with it.
I don't give a. No one should be hitting your head like that, bro.
He used to be a friend. I'm still trying to be peaceful, but
Wait, is he actually? Oh my bad. Is he actually mad at you?
I guess so.
For what?
It's more drama that I had nothing to do with. Good. I saw you get bodied. Huh? I saw you got bodied. That's good. I guess so.
Hey, you need to stick up for yourself, bro. Don't let him.
I'm just trying to be peaceful.
No, I know, but if someone hits you in the head, that's not cool. Yo, y'all seen that, right, bro? Like, homie just hit him in the head. I thought they were playing around at first, but they weren't, bro. What's good, bro? Let's go. Hey, YZ gang.
So gang, as you've seen with that situation, I don't really know who's in the wrong and who's in the right. I don't know the history they have. So yeah, I'm not putting the blame on anyone. I was sort of just recording what happened, and I was just saying, like, stick up for yourself. Just, you know, I don't like seeing anyone get hit. I don't know the reason behind it and stuff like that, but I just wanted to put that out there. But besides that, it's all good vibes.
Rip Turtle. Let's go. You already know he'd be swagging out of that no hand. So yeah, Brian 636 here. And he's I think he's about to get a nose wheelie. Yo, look at him going. Yes, sir. How you doing?
I'll watch the videos.
You want to say something?
Yeah, man. Hey, got you off the channel?
Yeah.
Hey, go check out MotoBroo on YouTube.
Let's go.
Yes,
We outside. Yo, there it is. There it is. It's so crazy how small this lot is, bro. Yo. Yo, he popped that up so easily. Some good vibes out here, man. Yo, that scared me. I ain't even alive, bro. I thought you were going in. He said, nah. My bad.
That was my fault. I fell in the grass.
No. Hey, y'all didn't see that? I'll stop my bike right there, brother. This boy go crazy. Look at him coming in. He's just chilling on the idle, bro. That's nutty.
Wow, boy!
Yo, he's on a go-kart, dog. Yo, there's so much madness going on at this lot, and we ain't even start the ride yet. That's hard. Look at him, bro. Yo, are you kidding me? Damn! What happened to the go-kart?
I'm a huge fan.
Oh, thank you for watching, bro.
Dude, I haven't seen it in person. This is fucking
Yes, sir. Big 450.
I've always wanted one of the YZs. Bro.
Yeah, bro. They're smooth. They're smooth. Yeah, definitely. I like it. I mean, it's a lot of power, but...
Yeah. Baby.
Lars.
Max?
No, Lars. Fucking Tater, let's go, bro. You
Took my MT to the store.
Y'all saved my life, bro. Bro, check out these homies. They're literally going insane in the... Oh, my God. But they're going insane in the raid, and it's getting sketchy. Hey, you know the sun ain't out, right?
Huh?
You know the sun ain't out.
Hey, man.
No, I'm kidding, chill. Just kidding. Woo! Bro, that's a vibe, bro. And y'all don't, oh, we just did a bunny hop. Y'all don't understand, it's soaking wet out here, like, it's too wet and they're still out here killing it. Let's go, we're killing it. Yo, look at Brian coming in. Yes, sir.
Alright, your turn.
Hell nah. Yeah. Woo. Back it up. Let's go. Oh boy, got a towel and everything. Homie came prepared for the rain.